So in this project, we're gonna make a guitar effects using a Python code. First, you have to record an acoustic clip or song and upload it in the GUI. So for me, I made an acoustic song here or clip, a short clip for an example. And I'm gonna upload it in this GUI which we created using the Python code. So I'm just gonna type here acoustic and I'm gonna write a new file name, namely acoustic1. So as for the rate and the depth, we have to slide it in the maximum for us to have a maximum effect on the uploaded song. And click add effects. And then there is a prompt that adds the effect successfully. So for us to check if the guitar effects has been added, we have an application named the Audacity to check it. So this is what the original song sounds like. And then we will now add the added guitar effects for us to check it. So as we can see, there are some changes in the frequency of the song with the effects and the original song. As you can see here, the frequency has adjusted. So we're now gonna play the song with an guitar effects on it. As we can see, there's a lot of change in the frequency in the acoustic and the one with the guitar effects. So we have a 3 guitar effects that which is already made, and I'll explain it in the code later. So as for the second part, we have the original file here and the file which has a guitar effect named echo on it. As you can see, there's a change in the frequency and you can also hear the echo. As for the distortion effect, we're gonna mute the echo part and unmute this, and we'll be playing it. As you can see, there is some spikes of the distorted tone in the frequencies. So for the codes, I'm gonna use the flanger as an example. So these are the libraries. The import tkinter is for the UI that we made. So this is the UI, the codes for the UI. So the label, the file name, the new file name, label, and the add effects button. So to create the guitar effects, as stated earlier, you have to type the file name. If you type the file name here, this will become the entry 1, and the scales, the rate and the depth, the scales that was mentioned earlier. The new file name, this will become the entry 2. So if we type a file name that is not in the folder, there will be an error that will say empty file name, or we don't type a new file name, there will be also an error, empty file name. So for the code of the guitar effects, these are the libraries that we imported. As you can see, I'm gonna use flanger also as the example. So if you click the add effects and you write the file name and the new file name here, this will now integrate here. And then for the guitar effects, these are the formulas. So for the three guitar effects, we have a different formulas which we have researched in the internet for distortion and the echo. You just have to change the numbers here. As you can see in the echo, we have 5, and the flanger, we have only 2. So for the formulas, you just have to experiment, or you can do research for those formulas. So after you type the file name and the new file name here, it will now integrate in the guitar effects code. After that, we can have the plotted datas here, as you can see. The waveforms and the frequencies of each uploaded song clips.